I decided to come back to the sports broadcasting program here at Dean College because I have a love and passion for the sports broadcasting industry and, of course, the professor, Mr. John Rook. My favorite part of the program has been here at the training camp at Gillette Stadium, getting the chance to see the Patriots practice in the VIP section and including meet some of the media members. That was one of my favorite moments here during this time at the program.
The reason I came back was for the opportunities and just the experience, because this is something that I find not only really fun and something I want to pursue as a career, but also just being able to get my feet wet and, try things, experiment things. It's really helpful, and it helps me a lot just trying to further my career in this. Being able to learn from someone as experienced as John Rook, just because he knows what he's doing, he's been around the business for so long. I think that John's experience and his ability to work at this job and how long he's been in the business for, it helps me sort of, reflect how I carry myself and how I carry myself doing this.